Hey everyone, welcome to Learn.YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about Laravel Artisan GUI package, about more details, posted on Laravel News website. Let's look this article on Laravel News website. We can run Laravel Artisan command from web browser instead of terminal. By default, you can access this command page by /then artisan in your web browser. Before start, ask yourself why we need this package in our Laravel system. This package is browser-based Artisan command interface instead of terminal. Sometimes we host website on server. There are many web servers where we can't access terminal or SSH in our server. That's why we need this package. And simply way to saying, this package is for them who can't access SSH or terminal in their servers. Let's install this package and check its features. What can we do with this package? Here I am using existing Laravel project made with Laravel Breeze package. If you want to install Laravel Breeze with Tailwind CSS, watch Laravel Breeze video. Link in the description. Open Laravel Artisan GUI GitHub website. Requirement: Laravel 8, PHP 7.3 or higher, and internet connection. Open your VS Code editor. Open new terminal window. Open package website for installing command. Copy command. Open VS Code terminal and paste command and hit enter. Package install finish. Now open again installation doc and copy this command for publish the config files so we can customize. Done. Now open config folder. And here is a new files Artisan GUI, where we can set some Artisan GUI configuration. Now open documentation page again. Here by default, we can access Artisan web page in local development and simply entering web address by /then symbol, then Artisan. Let's check it out. By default, this page accessed by a login user. Open VS Code editor. Here we can see only access this page by authenticate user. Auth is true. If we change it to false, then we can access this page without login. Here we can see almost every Artisan terminal command available in this page. Now test database migration Artisan command from this page without opening terminal or using terminal. Open database table. Here my database table is totally empty. Open migrate section. Here you can change specific database settings as per your need. By default, I am using default migration setting. Click on Run button to migrate database. Wait for successful message. Here we can see exactly terminal output screen. Now, open database and refresh page to see changes. Here we can see every database table migrated. You can try every Artisan command through browser by yourself, simply installing this package. Open VS Code editor and change auth to true. An open browser, go to Artisan command page. Here we can see Artisan page. We can see this page by login. Register a demo account. Enter Artisan URL. Now we can access this page. Open VS Code Editor. Here we can access URL using prefix then Artisan. Change root prefix to like this, --symbol. Now open Artisan command web page and refresh. 404, page not found. Change root prefix ~symbol to ~symbol. Now we can access this page with new root prefix. If we change PHP- and prefix, then we can access it through PHP-Artisan in web browser. You can also change environment setting true or false. When you are only local environment, you can access this Artisan command web page or not access is set to false. Change environment setting local to production in .env file. Now you cannot access because we are in production. Change local to false. Refresh page. Now we can access. That's all. You can try this package by yourself. Thank you for watching.